Hello everyone, happy Friday. I want to run through some charts. So Bitcoin did do a U-turn here. I got stopped out at break even after taking some partial profits, which is fine. Unfortunately, Bitcoin did not hold this level and consolidate up here, so we can get rid of this too. So the pullback did not create a new lower low at the moment. It just got back into this tight consolidation range under the 26,200 level. So I will be watching what the charts do from Monday again. I don't want to take any exposure on right now. Today we have some economic data released again in the United States. And over the weekend the price action usually is not so organic. So I'll be back at the charts on Monday. I'll probably post them in the channels, maybe on Twitter, if I see something. So let's have a quick look at the S&P 500. So we see that the S&P 500 got back to its key retracement level at around $4,536 and rejected there. So now we will have to see if it will just keep consolidating, go all the way down to 4,313, or continue a breakout and then up towards 4,607 or even $4,637. I do think we will get a little pullback, at least towards maybe 4,450. But let's see how it will work out. And whatever the stock markets do could be a sign or a path for us to watch for Bitcoin, as I mentioned and went into detail in my last two updates. The Dow also had a red day yesterday, so we will have to see now if it follows the S&P 500 and gives us a little bit of a pullback and then moves up back towards the top of the key retracement zone, or if it follows the Nasdaq, makes a U-turn and breaks out of the key retracement zone. And for the Nasdaq, I want to see today if it can actually stay here, or if it will drop back into the zone and then just follow the S&P 500, or if it will go towards 15,932, and then maybe we can see a U-turn on the S&P 500 and the Dow as well. ETH continues to follow Bitcoin, so the sample long got also stopped out. I did not take this position as mentioned in the last update. I'm not interested in ETH right now because Bitcoin is the showrunner, and we see some alts pop here and there. But at the moment there is no reason for ETH to just take off and outperform Bitcoin. First we need to see Bitcoin to show some strength, and then the rest of the market may follow. So we can already get rid of this. So maybe we'll see some consolidation if Bitcoin makes a new lower low. I do expect ETH to follow and drop into this sub $1,550 area I had marked here. But until something happens on Bitcoin, I'm not that interested. ADA has been quite a while since I looked at this. Let's clean this up a little bit. So it's just sideways consolidating at the moment. I'll set myself an alert above this pivot high here at 28 cents, and then maybe at 25 cents give or take, and then see if we get movement. Check out the lower time frames, maybe try a range trade here, but I don't think anything will happen before Monday. Atom actually broke down, closed under this pivot low, so now we got an early rejection here. We still need some more confirmation on this, but it's on its good way towards the $6.20 area, and a little bit more patience for this one. Solana broke south of the channel. So now I'm interested in seeing if it can get back within into the channel above $20, and if this is just a stop rate or a liquidity rate, whatever you want to name it, and we will move back into the channel and then move towards the upside and maybe then continue consolidating. So if the $20 mark gets crossed while I'm awake, I'll share some charts or setups if I see anything on Monday onwards. Not today, not on the weekend. I want it to be at least Monday. UNI, as expected, broke down even faster than I thought. It's on the way to the 79% retracement level, and I'm still waiting for my alert to get triggered, and once it does, I will see the reaction around here, and then may take a position on it. Lastly, XRP. So XRP unfortunately also lost the trend line, closed under it, did not give it a bearish retest yet. Let me just clean this up a little bit. So for me, the levels to watch now is the 49 cents level. If it closes under this, I may have to cut my positions a little bit, or if it gets back above the trend line, I'll get more optimistic on it. Again, there is one thing we should also keep an eye on. There is a positive divergence right now on Bitcoin. The RSI dropped by far not as much as the price did. So this could take shape over the weekend. If we see a pump over the weekend, I do not recommend you to take action on that one. Wait for Monday, and then we will see what the status of the divergence is here. I wish everyone a relaxing weekend, and see you again next week.